Hello, welcome to Pro Tips. Today we'll talk about the IN.TOUCH 2 and a problem that you may have if you have two blue LEDs on your two modules, which is perfect, but you're still not able to connect to the app. If your problem is that whenever you open up the app, it scans the network forever and never finds a hot tub, there are two things possible. First thing, make sure that your phone is connected to the same network than where your IN.TOUCH is connected. Second thing, make sure that your router is actually a Wi-Fi router. That's very important as well. If, however, your problem is that it scans the network, finds a hot tub, but you're not able to connect to it, or that you're even able to connect to it, but it drops all the time, check two things. First of all, check your internet quality where you stand. Test a web page, see if it responds fast or slow. If it goes slow, that's going to be the same thing for the app. There are going to be packet loss. It could actually drop, it could be slow. So change where you stand, basically just try and improve your internet quality. However, if it goes fast, maybe something else. The RF connectivity could be the issue. So go in the app, go in the options, and check your connectivity quality. 50% would be a minimum. So if you're at about 50%, you gotta try and improve that. If you want some tips in order to improve RF connectivity, check my other video and you'll have a few tips on how to do it better. Again, if you have any questions or concerns, email us or call us, and thank you for watching.